Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix the C24 error. But first, what does C24 mean? The C24 error code indicates an unusual increase in temperature inside the oven compared to what it should have been. The problem arises due to a malfunctioning temperature sensor or a blocked vent. The oven overheats, which is dangerous, and could cause further damage to your Samsung appliance. The following are some of the common causes of the C24 error. Blocked vent. The vent at the back of the cooker top could be covered with an object such as a pan or dirt that has accumulated over time. The lack of an outlet to release excessive heat can lead to the error code. Faulty temperature sensor. The temperature sensor could be damaged or disconnected, causing the oven to get the wrong readings. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the C24 error. Inspect the vent. Doing this can help you figure out whether the error is a result of a blocked vent. Try the following. Turn off the oven and switch off the cooker. Go to the back of your cooker top and locate the vent. Wipe away the soot or debris that is covering your vent. Remove any objects that could be blocking the vent. Turn on your oven and try again. Inspect the temperature sensor. Follow the steps below. Unplug the oven. Find the thermostat behind the oven door around the frame. Pull it out. Place a calibrated multimeter on the thermostat and test it. The reading should be 0 or close to 0. If there is no reading, the temperature sensor is damaged. Contact a technician to come and replace the temperature sensor with a functioning one. Reset the oven and release warm air. Sometimes your oven needs a reset to remove any error codes on the oven display. Follow the steps below. Unplug the oven. Open the oven door for 1 minute to release warm air. Shut the door once the oven cools off. Plug the oven back in. For a short-term solution, you can continue doing this when the error code appears on the Samsung oven display. However, consider having a technician look at the oven to avoid any future challenges. Thanks for watching.